And Michigan is a second in the nation when it comes to the number of COVID variants, but that number doesn't tell the whole story.
Right, Dr. Frank McGeorge here to explain what is really behind this concerning statistic. Doc?
Yeah, Karen and Devin. So, multiple variants of the COVID-19 virus are spreading throughout the United States, with growing concern that they are not only more transmissible, but might also be able to evade the vaccines. And so far, 2 of the more concerning variants have been found here in Michigan. Looking at this graphic from the CDC, Michigan is deep blue compared to the rest of the United States, showing that along with Florida, the largest number of variant cases have been detected in our state. Now, it's important to note, though, as you can see on this map of the U.S. showing the number of genetic sequences being done in states, one of the reasons for that is Michigan is one of the states leading the way in the number of COVID-19 samples being sequenced. States with very little sequencing will naturally find fewer variants. Now, this graphic from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services shows where the UK B117 variants have been found. You can see that the greatest numbers are in more densely populated areas, but also take note that over half of the B117 variants identified were from outbreak investigations within the Michigan Department of Corrections. That's another reason we have more identified cases. Given that the B117 variant has been found in 31 Michigan counties, it's a safe assumption that it is widespread in our community. The concern now is that it could be part of the increase in cases Michigan is currently seeing. There are other variants being monitored, but so far, only 1 case of the South African B1351 variant has been found in Michigan. Now, so far, the vaccines do seem to be effective against these variants, making it all the more important for everyone who is eligible to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
Frank, what else can we do to stop the spread of the variants in particular?
Well, Devin, in addition to the precautions that we've been following, the state is really stressing the importance of quarantining if you have a known exposure to someone. With a more contagious variant, the more people that you're seeing, the more it is spreading. Far too many people, based on the data, are not quarantining after an exposure, and that is helping drive the spread.
Yeah, we've talked about taking our foot off the brake too soon. Yeah, all right, Doc.